In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set bevel effect in Excel. A bevel gives your shapes a subtle 3D edge so they stand out from flat content, which is perfect for callouts, buttons, or dashboard elements. I'll walk you through the exact clicks and share a few simple tips so you get a clean, professional result. Start in your worksheet and make sure you can see the ribbon at the top. First, go to the Insert tab. This is where Excel keeps all the objects you can add to your sheet, including charts, images, and the shapes we'll use for the bevel effect. Next, click Shapes. A gallery will open with lots of options like rectangles, rounded rectangles, arrows, and more. Choose a shape that fits your purpose. When you select one, your cursor will change so you can place it on the sheet. Click and drag to draw the shape to the size you want. Don't worry about getting it perfect right away. You can resize it later, and you can always press Ctrl+Z to undo if you need a do-over. With the shape on your sheet, make sure it's selected. When a shape is selected, Excel displays the Shape Format tab on the ribbon. That's where the styling tools live. Now, click Shape Effects. This menu controls special effects like shadows, reflections, glows, and the bevels we want. From there, choose Bevel. You'll see a list of preset bevel styles. Hovering over a style gives you a live preview on your shape, which makes it easy to compare options without committing. Pick the bevel that looks best for your design. If your shape has both a top and a bottom surface, some presets will apply a bevel to one or both, creating a more pronounced 3D look. Remember that the bevel effect is most visible on shapes with a solid or gradient fill and a little extra size, so if it looks too subtle, try enlarging the shape or using a lighter fill color. A couple of quick pointers to finish up. If the bevel command looks disabled, click the shape again to be sure it's selected. If your effect looks too strong, try a different preset or reduce contrast in the fill so the edges aren't harsh. And if you change your mind, you can always reopen Shape Effects, return to Bevel, and pick a new preset, or use Undo to step back. That's it. You've added a bevel to a shape in Excel, giving your worksheet a crisp, polished touch.